Welcome back to Symbols and Synchronicity, the channel where we explore ancient mysteries, modern enigmas, and the strange patterns that might just hint at something bigger than ourselves. Today, we're diving into a question that's been whispered across forums, hidden in the footnotes of obscure books, and debated by believers and skeptics alike. Are there alien relics here on Earth? Let's get into it, starting with the Dropa Stones, the alien discs of China. Our first stop takes us to the misty mountains of Bayan-Kara Ular in China. According to a controversial and largely unverified story from the 1930s, a team of archaeologists discovered hundreds of small, disc-shaped stones, each with a hole in the center, almost like a prehistoric vinyl record. But here's the twist: tiny, almost microscopic hieroglyphs spiraled around the edges of the discs. Allegedly, these symbols tell the tale of a spacefaring race called the Dropa who crash-landed in the mountains thousands of years ago. Mainstream archaeology calls this story a hoax, citing a lack of physical evidence and legitimate academic sources. Still, the Dropa stones continue to pop up in UFO lore. Are they ancient phonographs, ritual objects, or records of an extraterrestrial visit? We may never know. Next, the Saqqara Bird. Is it an ancient Egyptian airplane? Discovered in a tomb near Saqqara, Egypt, this small wooden artifact dates back to around 200 BCE. It's shaped like a bird, but not quite. Its wings are straight, the tail is vertical, and there's no hint of feathers. Some researchers believe it resembles a modern glider, hinting that ancient Egyptians may have understood the principles of flight, or perhaps were shown them by someone else. You can probably guess who ancient astronaut theorists think that someone might have been. Mainstream archaeologists suggest it was a ceremonial object, a child's toy, or maybe even a weather vane. But still, what inspired its peculiar aerodynamic form? Now we come to the ancient Baghdad Battery. Were they using some form of ancient electricity? And for what? In the 1930s, a curious clay jar was unearthed near Baghdad. Inside, a copper cylinder and an iron rod. Some believe these jars, dating back to 200 BCE, could be early galvanic cells, basically ancient batteries. Why would an ancient civilization need electricity? One fringe theory suggests these batteries were used for electroplating, or maybe even powering some form of ancient tech introduced by beings not of this earth. Skeptics argue that these jars had religious or medical uses, and there's no clear evidence they actually produced voltage. But the mystery remains: if it was a battery, what was it powering? Time to talk about UFO debris and metamaterials. What can we learn about these fragments from the sky? In more recent years, attention has turned to supposed metamaterials collected from alleged UFO crash sites. One group, to the Stars Academy, yes, the one co-founded by former Blink-182 frontman Tom DeLonge, claims to possess materials with bizarre properties. Some of these metal fragments reportedly have isotopic ratios that don't match anything naturally occurring on Earth, and unusual layering at the microscopic level that might suggest advanced engineering. Are they alien artifacts, part of a military black project, or just strange industrial leftovers? We don't have definitive proof either way, but testing is ongoing. If even one of these pieces is genuine, it could rewrite history. And lastly, we're cheating for this one, because we're leaving the confines of planet Earth to discuss Oumuamua, the interstellar visitor. In 2017, an object known as Oumuamua, Hawaiian for visitor from afar, entered our solar system, fast, spinning, and shaped like a giant cigar or maybe a flat pancake. It didn't behave like any known asteroid or comet. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb famously proposed that it could be a piece of alien technology, a light sail perhaps, sent by an advanced civilization. Most scientists lean toward natural explanations, but the truth is, we still don't know exactly what it was. So, what do we think? Are there actually alien relics here on Earth? If you're hoping for a definitive yes, we don't have it, at least not yet. But the world is full of strange objects and stories that don't quite fit the official narrative. Are they misinterpretations, hoaxes, or subtle signs that we've been visited before? As always, we leave that up to you to decide. Thanks for watching Symbols and Synchronicity. If you enjoyed this dive into the mysterious and the out of this world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future explorations into the unknown. We'll catch you on the next video. Take care, Remember to look up at the night sky, and most of all, stay curious.